This is a brief introduction into the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. I'm starting here with a bunch of circles, and what the Shape Builder tool does is it literally allows us to create shapes from overlapping shapes that we have. The important thing, though, is that we need to have whatever shapes we are going to use the Shape Builder on, we have to select them. So for example, if I only select 4 of these circles, I can only affect those 4. And this green one, I wouldn't be able to do anything to. And I'll show that more of that in a minute. So there's 2 things you can do with the Shape Builder tool. It's over here. The hotkey, the shortcut key is Shift M. And so what it does is anytime I have an overlapping shape, I can create or take away from that. So right now, you can see the little plus sign by my cursor, and that means that if I were to draw a line through these shapes, it would combine them currently. And if I were to click on this and pull it away, you would see that this is now a completely new shape. Before they were separate circles, but now they are that shape. I'm going to do Control Z to undo that. Now, the other main tool of the Shape Builder tool is subtracting. So if I hold down Alt, that plus sign turns into a minus sign, and anywhere that I click or draw a line through with this tool now is going to just be removed. So now, if I click off of that, now all of those middle sections are completely gone, and all of these circles are independently these shapes now. Doing Control Z again. Another interesting thing about the Shape Builder tool is it can even create new shapes from negative space. So negative space is like this middle area where none of these circles are actually in that area, but they close off that area. So if I were to click on that, now that is a completely new shape that I created from that negative space. And so there's many different ways that you can use the Shape Builder tool, but this has been a basic introduction into how to use it. I hope this helps you out and have fun creating.